Okay, so in today's video, we're doing it from my doorstep today. It is really cold outside. We've had about 2 inches of snow so far, and let me just show you what's going on. Notice there is like a whole sheet full of snow here. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. So this past move this way. This past week, we had some really cold temperatures dip, and I don't know. I guess I got really busy, especially here in Georgia. When you hear that it's a snow day, everything starts shutting down, right? 2 inches of snow that we got today, right? And we're supposed to get more tomorrow. But anyway, that's besides the point. The point is, I wasn't feeling 100% starting Tuesday. So Monday, I was supposed to start on Carnivore. I started tapering off, getting the stuff that I would normally eat out of my diet. And then I want to say come Tuesday afternoon, I felt like garbage. And it went all downhill from there. I just started feeling cold, shivering, my head was hurting me, my sinuses were bothering me, and I pretty much was down with the flu for like, I want to say even to now. And I got some like chest congestion and stuff, and so I started feeling like a little upset because I was like, oh man, I gotta use like plant-based stuff. And I'm just gonna straight up tell you, I used to do a lot of like homeopathic type of remedies. So some of them would include like teas. Like I would take hot water with lemon juice, and I would use ginger root with it. And yes, I would actually chew the ginger root and include turmeric and honey. So the turmeric purpose, not turmeric, cayenne pepper. So the whole purpose of using the cayenne pepper was so that way I could break up the phlegm in my chest. Same thing with the garlic, helps with the inflammation. And then also using the lemon juice to, of course, get the vitamin C, but then also to use the honey to help coat my throat because I was coughing so much. It was just so irritable. So anyway, with that being said, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. I did eat less. I drink a lot of liquids during that time. And I want to say by Wednesday, I had to start drinking more electrolytes because my body was cramping so bad at night. I just couldn't sleep. My husband was nice enough to help me. It was even a struggle to just put on makeup today. I'm gonna tell you the truth, but it's okay. You have these setbacks sometimes. So what I've done today was I didn't have any like crackers. I didn't have any of those things. Instead, I just had my electrolytes. I actually had 3 eggs with like a jammy middle. Oh my gosh, which is so good. Shout out to Carnivore Mama, who taught me how to make those. I would keep seeing on her Instagram all these things with eggs, and I was just like, I gotta make that today. And that's how I know I was starting to feel better because I actually wanted a meal. So I had some bacon and eggs this morning. But yes, anyway, I started to not feel so great, but I also have this really weird deep cough. So I'm trying to use like a cool and a warm humidifier. Sometimes I use the cool one if I'm feeling overly hot, and sometimes if I'm feeling too hot, I'm using if I'm feeling like cold, I'll use the warm one. So I'm kind of going in between both. And that's what's getting me through this little cold season that I have right now. But it's going to get better. I just wanted to come outside for a little while and look outside and just give you guys like a little video update on what is going on. And yeah, we can start talking about tapering more while we are, going through this season. But anyway, fast forward. If you are stuck during this time, I started thinking, what are some things that you could do? Well, the first thing you can do is you can make sure you have some bone broth on hand. If you can't make your own, get the store one and sip on that. That definitely is going to make you feel a lot better when you're sick. Studies have shown chicken broth is great. It's like the natural medicine, right? It makes you feel better. So yeah, you can make sure you have some chicken broth on hand. I had to resort to eating the regular soup, but I didn't eat the noodles. I just ate the chicken in it and I drank the broth. And that made me feel fine. Like I was just like, I don't care at that time. I just felt sorry, my eyes leaking. I just felt terrible at that time, so that's what I used. And yeah, so that's kind of how my week went. I wasn't really happy with the trajectory of me getting sick because, first time back. Okay, we're getting into the new year. I had things that I had planned and lined up, and it all went awry again. So I think part of this journey is me learning to be flexible when things like this happen. But anyway, yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying your snow day. Let me know in the comments below if it's snowing where you are. And let me know if you've ever been on Carnivore and you've been sick. Did you take anything special for it? I've been doing the lemon juice, the cayenne pepper, the ginger, and the honey. That's what I'm doing to kind of knock out this cold. But anyway, guys, hope that you have a wonderful day. Stay warm. We're going to have another snow day like this tomorrow, and I will see you in the next video. Just a little update, and we're recording another one later. Take care.